Unfair treatment at work? Don't stay silent. If your employer is refusing to pay you, treating you unfairly, breaching your contract, or dismissing you without good reason, there's a place you can go for help, and it's free. Today, you're getting a clear, step-by-step guide on how to file a labor complaint with the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS, in Jamaica, even if you've never done it before. Step 1. Identify the type of complaint. The Ministry of Labor handles several types of workplace issues, including unfair dismissal, redundancy disputes, payment issues, overtime, final pay, holiday pay, contract breaches, suspension or disciplinary issues, unsafe working conditions. Before filing anything, you must be clear about what your issue is. Step 2. Gather your evidence. To make your complaint strong, gather anything that proves what happened. This can include your employment contract, pay slips, warning letters, emails and WhatsApp messages, timesheets, termination or suspension letter, names of witnesses. The MLSS does not require a lawyer, but they do require evidence. Step 3. Contact the Ministry of Labor. You can contact the ministry in 3 ways. 1. Call your nearest parish office. 2. Visit in person. 3. Email or write a complaint letter. All parish locations are listed on their website, www.mlss.gov.jm. When you call or visit, ask for the Industrial Relations Department. Step 4. Make the official complaint. A labor officer will take your statement and open a case file. You may need to explain the issue, present your documents, give dates, times, and names, share any proof you have. The labor officer will then contact your employer and schedule a conciliation meeting. Step 5. Attend the conciliation meeting. This is where both sides meet, you, your employer, and a labor officer who acts as a neutral mediator. The goal is to reach an agreement without going to court. During the meeting, you can explain your side, present evidence, respond to your employer's claims, request outstanding payments, ask for reinstatement or compensation depending on the issue. Step 6. What happens after the meeting? One of 3 things will happen. 1. Agreement reached. A settlement is signed and your employer must follow it. 2. No agreement reached. The labor officer may escalate the case to the Industrial Disputes Tribunal, IDT. 3. Employer refuses to cooperate. MLSS will record this and decide next steps. You may be advised to take the matter to the IDT or get legal assistance. Step 7. Know your rights. The Ministry of Labor protects Jamaican workers under the Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act, Employment, Termination and Redundancy Act, Minimum Wage Act. These laws ensure that no employer can mistreat you without consequences. File immediately if you experience unfair dismissal, not being paid, forced unpaid overtime, unsafe conditions, redundancy without pay, contract breaches. You do not need a lawyer. You do not need to pay anything. You do not need to be afraid. The MLSS exists to protect Jamaica's workers, especially when employers ignore the law. If you're having problems at work, don't keep it to yourself. File a complaint with the Ministry of Labor and let them guide you through the process. Stay informed. Stay protected. Like, subscribe, share. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.